Alright, so in this video I'm going to go through Circle Practice 2. I've got my engineering title block opened up. I want to be sure that I'm in my 0 layer, right? That's our object line layer. I'm going to grab this point and go down my 3 inches. So I'm going to click line, click somewhere over here, going down, I type in 3 and hit enter. I can see that it goes to the left, my 2.5, and hit enter. Then it goes down again, my 2.5. Back to my left, 5.5. It goes up this entire length, right? These other 2 dimensions relate to the circle. This length here is 6.5. Again, going across my top here, this dimension, this 5, relates to that circle. We'll talk about that in a second. But this line here is 6.5. And then I connect it. Hit escape a few times. Right, there's that basic outside shape. In order to identify that center point of the circle, I'm going to start by offsetting a few lines. I'm going to click offset, that's this tool right here. On my bar there it says select my distance to offset, so I'll start by offsetting this distance 5 inches. So I simply type in 5 and hit enter. It says select the object to offset, so I click this line, and then if I click anywhere to the right, it's wanting to copy. Not to the left, but to the right. I'm going to offset this distance down 1.5. So I click offset again. 1.5. I'm going to click this line and again move down. So that's that center point of the circle. I'm going to find my circle. My dimension is written as a diameter. The circle with a line through it means diameter. So I'm just going to be sure I'm on center point diameter. Click on that center point, and my diameter is 1.5. Right? I can then delete these 2 lines, and I've got my object. The other circle, offset. From the bottom here to the center is 3 inches, so I'm offsetting 3 and hit enter. I click this line and anywhere above it. Now from the left side over is 2.5, so I click offset, type in 2.5 and hit enter. Click this line and anywhere to the right of it. That's the center point of this circle, and again our diameter, our dimension is written as a diameter. So I go make sure that I'm on diameter circle. I want to start here, and I type in 2.5. Alright, so just like the previous one, we are going to add dimensions. I am going to go up here where it says 0, and I'm going to switch now to my dimension layer. Dimension. I'm going to use linear. I'm going to identify this point to this point. Alright, linear. This point to this point. Here again. I like to put my outside or my larger dimensions further out. Okay, escape a few times. Alright, so now I've got my object dimensioned. Now it's a matter of dimensioning those circles or the center points of those circles. So click linear again. This dimension starts at this lower left corner and goes to the center. So lower left corner goes to my center, and then I drag it down. Lower left corner to my center again. This one up on top goes from my top left corner to my center. So linear. Top left corner, center. Notice it's picking up that center point. And then top left corner to the center again. And this one's going over here. Last thing then is to include the diameters. If I pull this down, there's one here that says diameter. And you simply click on the edge. Diameter, click on the edge. And this would complete circle practice 2. Thank you.